Today I'm going to be making this really long stick into a survival spear. So I'm going to be using this Swiss Army knife to carve this huge thing and cut it into a small like spear, and this is where you can get Swiss Army knives. Even though I can just break this on my leg right now like that, I'm just going to show you what this Swiss Army knife can really do. It has an entire section for a very sharp saw. So for this next part, since it's harder cutting down there, I'm just going to turn it on its side a bit so I can cut this way now at a different angle from it. So now I'm going to take out the knife part of this Swiss Army. Luckily it has a lock on there so it can't bend over. You have to pull this down at the same time to bend it over like that. And I just have to cut off these little small bits. It might take a while. So now again I'm using the straddle method to just cut it here because that's a good width length. Now we're going to use the knife part of it and just very quickly, but just gently, just cut this part here to make it like a real spear. Just a bit more. The spear is ready for testing.